Hi and welcome to JTech WP. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy a domain and hosting package on a superfast Litespeed server, then install WordPress. When filling in your details, please pause the video if you need to. Let's go! Open a new tab, jtechwp.com/namehero. Select Web Hosting, compare plans. Starter Cloud is fine for really small websites. With all the packages you get a free domain name included and a daily backup. Plus Cloud is the most popular and allows you to have up to 6 websites. Turbo Cloud is great for sites with more traffic and up to 50,000 users a month. If you're going to run an e-commerce site, Business Cloud is the best option. I choose Plus Cloud as I can upgrade later. Order now. Enter the domain name you would like to purchase. .com, .net, .org, .mobi, .biz and .co.uk are free when you sign up for this hosting. I type in JTechWP demo, press check. If it's available, it will go green. Continue. The selected configuration will be displayed. With the standard package, you get 1 backup per day. Auto backup for 30 days is a much better option. My site will be small, so 5 gig a month is plenty. You can upgrade to more later on if you need it. Dedicated IP address, yes, as this helps with email delivery and rankings. Malware scanning and file cleanup for extra protection, yes. Let's encrypt auto SSL free is okay. If you're selling products online, then select SSL global sign. Continue. DNS Management, yes, as this helps speed up your site. ID protection to reduce spam, yes, we'll have that as well. Email forwarding, I don't need that as it can be set up in cPanel later on. Continue. Checkout. Fill in your details, your name, address, your country. For strong passwords, I use GRC. And you can start entering your card details. Check I have read terms and conditions. Complete order. Leave a review if you want to. An email activation link will be sent to your email address. Go to namehero.com, click on account, log in. I paste the password that I used earlier. Remember me. Log in. Enable 2-factor authentication. That gives your account an extra layer of security. Click to enable. You will need the free Google Authenticator app. Press get started. In the app, press the plus symbol, scan a barcode. The app will show you a code. Enter the code, press submit. A backup code will be created. Copy this and keep it somewhere safe. This is useful if you lose your phone. Close the window. Go to Web Hosting, My Services. Click on the domain. Log into cPanel. Scroll down and look for Soft Oculus Apps Installer. Click on it. Install WordPress. Choose protocol HTTPS // Make sure this directory is blank. WordPress version, select the newest version from the drop-down menu, enter your website name, and enter the site description. I use strong GRC for a great password. Paste that in, fill in your username, set an admin email address, install. WordPress installs quickly. Leave the page open until the installer completes. Test your site by opening the URL in a new tab. The site is live. Test your admin username and password using yourwebsite.com/wp-admin. Now log in. You can start building your new website. Well done. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe, leave a comment below, and have an awesome day.